Hello, each1blessed1.com. This is James Anthony Allen, eBlessings.net. There have been 5 major flood events on the planet, according to scientists. 5 major flood events on the planet. Do you think they had advance notice of the flood events? In the Bible, you hear about Noah, uh, advance notice, and then 4 other ones. Big, huge, planetary flood events. I'm telling you about the climate ELEs coming. You better listen, because it's upon us. Yes, it is. Thank God. Come, Lord Jesus. Come. Come, Lord Jesus. Come.